Guys, you can't go wrong with a Honda, and you definitely can't go wrong with this Honda CR-V 2011, 120 on the miles. This is a lot of Honda for the money. It is the EX, so it does have the alloyed wheels, the sunroof. I'll give you a slow pan around it. No major dings, scratches. We have all the service records on it. It does have tow package. It does have keyless entry. There's your sunroof on top. Let's take a look on the inside. It's just as nice and new on the inside as it is the rest. Check it out, Conover location. We do all of our financing here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. It's no problem. You can apply on my new website. Check out my new website, tradingpostcars.com. Put in your down payment information. We'll go to work for you. A like new, 120,000 mile, just broke in Honda CR-V here at the Trading Post. Family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices, above average clean Honda CR-V, 828-464-0600, or again, tradingpostcars.com. Just wanted to give you this high definition video so you could appreciate how well kept this Honda is. Don't delay. It's not going to last. Call us today, or better yet, come see it in person. You're going to love it here. You're going to love our Honda at the Trading Post Conover store. Get it before it's gone.